Hey guys, Dave Roesch here with Roesch Ford, and we're doing our next episode of Friends of Roesch in Glendale Heights, featuring one of our great customers, United Door and Dock. We're excited to see their facility and learn about what they do. Let's see if they're here. Knock, knock. Hey guys.
What's up, Dave?
Hey, what's going on?
Hi.
Nice to see you.
Same here.
Awesome facility guy here. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a little loud in here though. Do you have anywhere quieter?
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
This is where we take care of business.
All right, let's see it. All right, now we're in somewhere a little quieter. I'd like to introduce, we got Ben and Mike here, the owners of United Door and Dock here in Glendale Heights, who've been great customers of ours for the last 3 years, and we'd love to learn a little bit more about your guys' business and how you guys started.
Here at United Door and Dock, we service and repair and install all types of commercial doors and loading dock equipment. We've been around for a little bit over 3 years and have grown from 3 employees to over 40.
Wow, that's some impressive growth over the last 3 years, and starting in the middle of a pandemic. What kind of challenges did that entail?
Yeah, so it was very difficult. Beginning of the pandemic, we started in March of 2020, and we had to work countless hours and really hard and utilize every resource and contact that we could find to help us out.
Congratulations on your growth, and I know sometimes it's tough to be partners in a business with somebody. How did you and Ben? Why did you guys decide to go into business together?
So Mike actually hired me at our former employer, which is where we met, and right when I started there, it was kind of like almost a brother I never had, and we got along really well and just saw like a lot of things that we could be doing better. And so with all the experience between him and I, we decided to branch out and do our own thing.
Well, I'm glad it was a good decision for you guys to partner together, and obviously with your growth of personnel, I can see you guys are doing quite well for each other, and I can also see, because we're here today, that you guys have bought quite a few vehicles to keep up with that growth. Tell me about your guys' fleet of vehicles and how it relates to your guys' day-to-day.
We have over 30 Ford vehicles, and all of them are only a few years old at this point since we started the business. Our branding is really important to us, and we're really proud of the vehicles that we drive. So,
well, by looking at the room that we're in right now, it seems that you guys have a unique culture, more of a work hard, play hard type culture. Can you tell us a little about what stemmed this idea and what this mural is all about?
So here at United Door and Dock, we've got 24 of the best union carpenters in the entire industry, and that's why we're referred to as the home of the big dogs. We also have a slogan that we've embodied here into our culture of nothing stops this train. Every day our sales team, our project managers, all employees run into obstacles, and we embody this slogan here because nothing stops the train. We get through the obstacles however we need to.
Well, I must say that's one of the coolest logos I've seen, so I like what you guys got going on here. Now, based on this room I'm in and the cool logos you've developed and slogans, I can see you've embodied a unique culture. Now, what makes you guys unique within the industry and what you guys do and do better than everyone else?
Everyone out there has a door and dock contractor that they call, but anyone that calls us, they change over to call us for their service and repairs, and they never leave. We have the best technicians in the field. We have the best sales team in the industry. We're faster than fast. Same day quotes, same day service, 24/7 emergency service, and we can work on just about anything you need.
Well, I guess if you guys are open 24 hours, 7 days a week, there's got to be some fun that needs to be had if you're going to be here. So tell us about this room that we're in and what stemmed this idea.
Well, this is our conference room, but we've really put some fun things in here for employees to kind of relax when they need to. It's a quiet place where we can have our lunch and learns with vendors, but also after hours and before hours, you'll find a lot of service technicians and other people in the company up here. They might be competing at pinball or playing basketball. We've also got, the recliners so we can watch movies and stuff like that too. So,
Well, I see a lot of fun things here, and while we're here, let's go play.
all right.
All right, now that we had some fun, let's go check out your shop and see more about what you guys do.
All right, let's go. So we're out in our shop right now, and here at United Door and Dock, we know how important it is to keep businesses up and running at all times. So we have every part and piece you could ever imagine to fix a door or a piece of dock equipment in real time, same day, to get someone's operation back up and running.
Absolutely, yeah. I can see that you guys have everything from the big doors to the small little mechanical pieces, and I know firsthand that when something breaks in our shop that we need that thing running to keep business operating, so that's very smart.
So this here is a Horman Steel Ranger high-speed coiling door, and this is a door we installed on our shop here, and this is a type of door that we service and install on a daily basis.
Wow, it's a big door.
This is a trailer restraint that we sell and service as well. This simulates a truck backing up to a dock. And then the employees can lock it for safety. Prevents the truck from leaving when they're done unloading the truck or loading it. Truck can leave.
So I saw a lot of doors and docks over there, but what are these right here?
It doesn't look very impressive, but if you know how important weather stripping is for a building, we have every size and variation that you can imagine.
We got to see your doors inside. Let's check out some of your docks. What do you got out here?
Yeah, so inside you saw all these little parts and pieces for doors and dock equipment, but there are times when a dock leveler at a warehouse can't be repaired. And sometimes a dock leveler might be 20 weeks out to get it. But here at United, we stock anywhere from 1 to 2 truckloads of mechanical and hydraulic dock levelers at all times.
All right, so a lot of this is foreign language to me, and I learned about the dock leveler outside, but what is this big thing right here?
Yeah, so around a dock door opening is what you would call a compression dock seal. So this gets mounted to the wall outside of a warehouse dock door, and when a truck backs into the dock position, the truck pushes up against this and gives it a good seal all the way around so hot and cold air doesn't come in and out of the building.
Guys, I had a ton of fun here checking out your facility and working in your conference room. Thanks for having us. We really appreciate your support over all of these years.
And thank you for all your support. We loved having you here today. And if you guys need any door or dock service, please find us at unitedil.com. Give us a shot. We never miss. Actually, Mike never misses.
Oh!